Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and launching Swift Sneak. Open the app and sign in. Once done, pick or create a profile and set core preferences so the tool behaves predictably. Make sure necessary permissions are granted, camera, microphone, or location, because lacking access blocks features. You should also connect any external devices now. After that, verify version and quick settings. This avoids surprises later and lets you move straight into configuring workflows without wasted time. You now define the workflow inside Swift Sneak. Map inputs like hotkeys or gestures and assign the actions you need. Next, chain automation steps and add conditional triggers so tasks run only when expected. Once configured, tune performance options, latency thresholds, polling intervals, and resource limits to balance speed and stability. If you plan to integrate external services, enable connectors and test a full sequence. Then run a controlled trial to observe behavior and refine triggers based on results. You finish by executing a full test sequence and watching logs for failures or unexpected timing. Once satisfied, export settings or create a backup profile so you can restore the exact setup later. Make sure to schedule regular checks and enable notifications for critical errors. If something goes wrong, first confirm permissions and check for hotkey conflicts, then lower polling rates or increase timeouts. Finally, restart the app and rerun the test. Most intermittent issues clear after a fresh start and small timing adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.